Hello and welcome, and next I am planning to show you that how you can check your Mercedes-Benz cars this top dead center position, and it happens so that we have to do at least 1 and then 2 and then 3 in here and 4 setups that what is this our engine's positions. Firstly, when we rotate that our engine, we need 27/8mm this socket what fits in the central bolt in here. In here, let's look. Now it's in position, and rotation direction is like clockwise, and when I move that, I have to check that here we have small 2 lines. There is this text in here, and we can see that small, and I have now installed in here this yellow color, and in this block area we have also yellow line, and when we feel that in our finger there is small line and text OVT. We can see some of these. Now I little bit move that, and before of that I have to find, this is really excellent Mercedes innovation, that this is like intake cam, and we need now 6mm drill bite. And this part, when it fits directly in here, now it is just in position. Now we can check that this intake cam is in this just right position, and we can check that this cam head, cylinder 1, is against to intake manifold. And also exhaust cam, it have to be in almost same direction. They are not actually same, but in same way, to against intake manifolds. Good. And this is starting position, and then we need to do in here, like I have made in here, black paintings in here, that these bolts are in same line, and that means, and there is also this yellow and black markings that this is like intake cam. And then we check this area, and now when I move that little bit, okay, now it seems that this is now they should be in same line, and now I have already take away this tensioner. Look in here, I have took that bolt away, and that's they are not in just in line. Let's see that can. Okay, now I move that, yes, and now we can see. This is really important. These lines must be in just in same position. Now we can see. Good. And this means that now crankshaft is in right position, and also these timing chain, this have to be tight. Check. And now this is a little bit loosened because tensioner is away. But now when we have checked this, final check is that we can install in here very long this drill bite, and we can see in here piston in there. Look, can we see that there is piston in here? It is difficult to see, but we can see in piston head in here. Yes, there is, and when we check in here, here is no any piston in that area, because this is cylinder 2, and this piston have to be in up. This is the last check, and this is like Mercedes top dead center position.